Uh, so basically, numerous topics have been told in CC1. The idea is basically to introduce yourself, to tell about your goals, to tell about your aspirations, to tell about your childhood and etc. In that line, my life has been divided into 4 chunks. 10 years of my childhood in Motor, Calcutta. Switched to 2 years in Kota, 4 years in college, and now 3 years in professional life. My life in my childhood has taught me the appreciation for nature, the appreciation for design, and how people can communicate with each other, can collaborate, and do wonderful things. My life in Kota has taught me the importance of self-discipline, of how a person can be determined and achieve what he wants to. About my love for science, for logic. My life in BITS has taught me how to network, how to socialize, how to meet women, HTML. Okay, and my professional life has inculcated me a lot of new hobbies, which I'm going to talk about. But people say that you know about a person more by their habits rather than by their stories. So I'm going to share a habit of mine with you. Don't worry, it's not a bad habit. You guys can pick it up, right? I had this habit a long time ago. I realized this only a few weeks ago when me and my friends, we were just sitting around chatting on a Saturday evening. When he suddenly exclaims, he looks at me and says, life should be romantic. Okay? And I was like, oh, what? I said, just hear me out. And he goes on to tell me about an article which he read in New York Times, where a photographer clicks one photo every day for 18 years of his life, before he finally died because of a tumor in his brain. Okay. So when were you born, Kashish?
94.
94. At the day.
No, 30th January.
30th January 19. Go to his website and you will see that there is a photo which he clicked on that day. You can see how New York looks that day, right? Okay. And this idea really struck me, okay? Because he asked me, the next question he asked me was, if you were that person, like, remove the brain tumor part. If you were the person and I gave you a camera and you had to click one photo every day, how would your camera reel look like? Okay? What would you click? Okay? And I realized that I do this thing a lot. Okay? I don't do this on a life basis, on a monthly basis. I do it on a weekly basis. Okay, so this is the first time I'm doing this in CC1. Let's do this thing. Let's have a demo. Okay, the idea is basically you all close your eyes and I'll give you a blank reel of 10 seconds. Okay, what you have to do is put on frames inside it, the best memories of your life, and I'll give you 10 seconds. Close your eyes, think about it, and play that thing in fast forward. Okay, ready? Close your eyes. Everybody close your eyes, please. Yeah. Okay? And start. Alright, time's up. I'm sure I'm not going to ask you what you guys saw, but it must be the most personal moments of your life, right? Something that defines you, something that inspires you, something that you have been talking about right now in your CC1, right? And many of you might be thinking, oh yeah, this might sound like a great Instagram campaign, I can just click around photos and hashtag Dear Zindagi and I'll be listening, right? But doing this thing which I just told you will ensure 2 things, right? One is that because you'll be closing your eyes, there is no control, right? It's your brain. You can fast forward anything. You can go back to moments. You can switch. You can see the most private moments of your life and nobody can know about it, right? Number 1. Number 2, it will save you from the anxiety, right, which social media brings. You won't upload. You will not see, oh my God, I am not getting those likes and I'm not getting those comments, right? Yeah. This thing. So okay. So photography basically is something which is very nostalgic to me. You save those things which you want to remember, which you want to cherish. Okay. So this is my take from my CC1. Whenever you find yourself dwelling in this busy life, trying to take control and still not getting a hold of what you want to get. Close your eyes, look back, take a flashback. I'm pretty sure that that thing will will really help you. It has helped me a lot. It is like a therapy for me, and it will help you guys a lot. There's a very good movie which I like. It is called The Secret Life of Walter Mitty. Okay, and in this movie, Walter Mitty is basically a guy. He basically goes to around the world in search of a photographer because apparently he is nowhere to be found, and he finds him in this Hindu Kush mountains in Afghanistan, trying to capture a snow leopard. Okay, and basically what happens is in this movie there is a frame when the snow leopard comes directly inside the camera's frame, and this guy doesn't capture presses the capture button. And Walter Mitty asks him, why didn't you press the capture button? And he says, sometimes when I really like a moment, I don't want any distractions. I want to stay in it, be right there. Okay, so I urge you, I ask you to be right there. Okay, to be, to be in the moment, and one day, one day you will realize that life is a beautiful gift that has been bestowed upon you, and you will fall in love with the moments that have passed by and moments that are going to come. I'll leave you guys with a very good quote from this movie. The quote goes like this: to see the world, things dangerous to come to see behind walls, to get closer, to find people, and to feel. That is the purpose of life. Thank you.